The big day begins in the sunny town of Splashville. The Rivera family was buzzing with excitement. Today was the day they'd been waiting for all summer. Water park day. Mom packed sandwiches and towels. Dad checked the car twice and triple-checked the sunscreen. Lily, age 9, wore her glittery swim goggles before they even left the house. Ollie, age 6, couldn't stop singing, Water park. Water park. Zoom, slide, swoosh. Everyone was ready, except for a teeny tiny problem. I can't find my swim trunks. Ollie cried. Lily rolled her eyes. We're gonna be late. Mom knelt down and said gently, let's help him look. It's more important to stick together than rush ahead. Lightbulb life lesson number 1, be patient and helpful. Working together gets things done faster. Welcome to Splash-A-Saurus Waterpark. After the swim trunks were found, in the laundry basket, of course, the Riveras arrived at Splash-A-Saurus Waterpark, where the slides roared and the lazy river sparkled. There were dino-shaped splash pads, sauropod towering twisty slide, cyclone, a wave pool that roared like a T-Rex water wave, and the famous gigantunnel slide. It looped like spaghetti. Ollie wanted to do everything at once. Let's go here. No, wait, there. Let's make a plan so we don't miss anything. They drew a silly map in the sand with a stick, marking all the places they wanted to try. Lightbulb life lesson number 2, planning and patience help make the fun last longer. Sharing is splash-tastic. At the dinosaur splash pad, Ollie found a cool water blaster. It sprayed so far it could soak a snack stand. But when a younger girl stood nearby, watching with big eyes, Ollie hugged the blaster tighter. I found it first, he muttered. Lily came over. What if you share with her? You'll make a new friend and still have fun. Ollie hesitated, then handed it over. The little girl beamed, and Ollie found another blaster nearby. Soon, they were all laughing, getting soaked, and taking turns spraying the water volcano. Lightbulb life lesson number 3, sharing makes fun even better. For everyone up by the afternoon, the family was hot, tired, and a little cranky. Ollie whined, my feet hurt. Lily snapped, stop stepping on my towel. Dad dropped the map into the wave pool. Mom accidentally sat on someone's nachos. Maybe we need a break, said Mom, trying not to laugh. They found a shady spot under a palm tree and flopped onto the towels. That's when Dad returned with rainbow swirl ice cream cones. Each one piled high with sprinkles, swirls, and a cherry on top. Soft ice cream rainbow cherries. Everyone giggled and licked happily. Sometimes, said Dad, the best part of the day is just sitting together, sticky fingers and all. Lightbulb life lesson number 4, even the best days have bumpy moments. Take a break, laugh it off. The last slide and goodnight giggles. As the sun began to set, the Riveras slid down the gigantunnel slide together, one last whoosh before heading home. Lily and Ollie splashed into the pool, grinning ear to ear. That was the best day ever, said Lily. Even with the nachos and the missing trunks, asked Dad. Especially with the ice cream, added Ollie, giving his sister a sticky high five. On the way home, Ollie fell asleep holding his water blaster like a teddy bear. Lily leaned on Mom's shoulder, humming the water park song. And everyone dreamed of slides, sprinkles, and the next adventure. Glowing star final life lessons from the water park. 1. Patience and teamwork make the day smoother. 2. Planning can make fun even better. 3. Sharing isn't losing, it's gaining joy and friends. 4. Even wild days need quiet moments. Shaved ice bonus activity. Design your ice cream doesn't fix everything, but it sure helps. Dream water park. What slides would it have? What's your signature snack? What life lesson would people learn there? Time for bubble baths and bedtime stories. Just like the Riveras, your family's greatest adventure might be the next sunny day away from screens, together. Sweat Droplets Blue Heart, please like, share and subscribe. Bye!